This is a 68 RFE. The anatomy of this transmission is very much nearly identical as far as all the engineering in that to the 45 RFE and 545 RFE. The 45 RFEs were common in the 99 and newer 4.7 liter Durangos and Jeep Grand Cherokees, and then in 2003 the 545 RFEs came out, and even in the 05s they were found very common. All the Hemi Rams have them. You've got your input speed sensor, output speed sensor, and then your solenoid block. As far as the speed sensor replacement, it's literally pull these two bolts. The sensor is going to come straight out. It's got a little bit of a cant downward, but not much. Pull the sensor out, install the new one, tighten the bolt, reconnect your wiring harness for both positions, and away you go. Very, very straightforward, 5 minutes or less. I'm going to spin this thing around. If you notice in the rear here, this is the pressure transducer. Now this goes for the speed sensors and the transducer alike. They all are sealed. On the outside diameter of them they have an O-ring which seals to the case and helps contain the fluid so you don't have a leak. Sometimes, being that these units have been hot and cold so often, that O-ring will seat itself and it may take a little bit of finesse to get them out. Don't pound or tap on them, just kind of a gentle twist side to side, and then just straight forceful pulling, and they should come right out. If you smack them or give them a tap, more than likely you'll break them right off, and then you'll have a real difficult time getting them out. I think that's it for this video. It's just basic anatomy. Appreciate you guys watching.